guys, so today I have got two boxes to show you from Fright. So we have this one and we have this one. Now Fright are not in my good books. These boxes are from May and June and it's now November and they've only just arrived. Their shipping is terrible, their customer service is terrible. These aren't even the box themes that I ordered. The ones I ordered, apparently they didn't have enough stock, so I have no idea what I've received here. Like, I don't know what month box this is, or if they've just sent me random old stuff. Not a clue. I mean, I did get the boxes in the end, which I'm thankful for, because it's been so long I didn't think I was going to get anything, but would I recommend them? No. So this isn't necessarily a, like, go and subscribe to them video, because I personally probably will never buy from them again, but I do have these two boxes, so I might as well show you what is in them. So I'm going to start off with the smaller one first. Now if you've watched my videos like for a while, I did used to get Fright and it used to be okay, so you'll probably remember some of these items from back then, because like I said, I think they've just thrown in old stuff. So the first thing that we have on top here is this little Texas Chainsaw Massacre, like, soft toy kind of thing. He's pretty cute, a little leather face, but I have had him before, so it wasn't exciting for me to get this, but there's one of those anyway. Then next we have a t-shirt, which is, what is this? Bride of Frankenstein. So it's a black t-shirt with a blue, like, Frankenstein, and then a very artistic Bride of Frankenstein in the background. It's pretty cute. Might wear it at some point. It does have the Fright thing, like the logo on here, and these are very, very thin kind of see-through t-shirts, as you can see, but it's quite a cute design, so there is that. Then next we have this pennant, which again, I've had one of these before. It's literally hung up on my like bookshelf over there. Pretty cool, but I already have one. It says Camp Crystal Lake. With this stuff that I've already like got two of, I might start making up a box of stuff to do a giveaway soon, maybe, because I don't need two of them, but we'll see. So there is that. And then we have a pin. So this is from The Fog. Honestly, not a film I've ever seen, but it's pretty cool though. There is that. Then we have a Jaws metal sign. So it says, what is this? Not really sure what this is. Metal print. Let's have a look. No swimming, beach is closed. So that's pretty cute. It's got like a bite mark out of it. It's like a metal. I mean, I'm not really sure what you would do with that, but if you had like a garage or something, it would be pretty cool to put that in. So not bad, I suppose. Like I said, I actually like Fright stuff. Fright was the company that I got this big Chucky blanket from ages ago, and I absolutely love this blanket. I think this is like my favourite thing that I've ever had from a horror box. So it's not that I don't like their stuff, it's just that it doesn't arrive. So I don't know, I'm not sure how I feel about it. But then we have, what is this? I don't know, this is a little leaflet for something. And then we have like a card that tells you what is in there, and we have a notebook, which is the Shining Overlook Hotel notebook. Let's open it and see what it looks like. It is quite a nice book, to be fair. Very posh looking. Has the carpet inside, which is cool. And then the pages are just lined pages, but they do have like a, I don't know if it's going to show up on camera or not, like a really faint kind of script on them that says, oh, it says all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy all over it. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and right at the very bottom we also have a bookmark for Bleak Creek, like a little advertisement plastic bookmark. So that was the first Loot Fright box anyway. Like I said, not awful, like kind of cute, but it's just that I can't bear waiting. Like, I mean, how many months is that? May, June, July, August, September, October, November. It's like 6 months since I ordered that box, which is insane. And it wasn't even the themes that I ordered, so I don't know how I feel about it. In the next box, the first thing we have is a t-shirt, which is The House on Haunted Hill. When I first saw this, I thought it was for A Haunting of Hill House on Netflix, which I absolutely loved. If you've not seen that, you need to go watch it. It's a great show. But yeah, I thought that that was like this t-shirt, but it's not. But it is a pretty cute design though. So there is that. Then we have our pin, which is a little zombie hula girl. She's actually really cute, I'm not gonna lie. She has like a little skull bra on and bones in her flower and stuff. So she is very, very cute. And it has the 2 pins so that it doesn't spin around as well. And then we have this very weird, like plastic, I'm not even sure what you would call it. Like a plastic sign kind of thing. So it's an acrylic Annabelle like sign that stands up like this on a little stand, and then you get 3D glasses with it, and when you look through the blue side there is a satanic like Baphomet kind of goat thing, and then through the red side there is just Annabelle. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but I'm going to try and hold it up to the camera and see if you can see what I can see. Oh, it's working the opposite way around, I think. So at the minute you can see the Baphomet. I'm wondering if blue... Oh, okay. Yep, definitely working the opposite way around for you guys, but that is that anyway. Like I said, I don't really get it. I mean, I'm not sure what you're supposed to do with this, but maybe if you're a collector of horror stuff, then this is pretty cool. So there is that. Then we have this giant poster, which is a little creased, but it's kind of cool, I guess. It says Slaycation 3 Tourist Trap. Prices aren't the only things getting slashed. Honestly, it's so big I can't even really show it properly. But it has like a zombie kind of guy on it. Let's see if I can fold it in half. It's like this huge zombie poster anyway. And then the last item in here is in this box, and it is an American Werewolf in London glass, which again, pretty cool item. That was a horrible noise, I'm sorry. So it says, I mean, it's got all dust and stuff in it, but it says The Slaughtered Lamb. It's kind of engraved in there. I know that's not showing up very well, but that is the design on it. And then when you kind of drink in it, it says Beware the Moon at the bottom, which is cute. So yeah, that was everything that was in this Loot Fright. Like I said, not a clue what month this was, or if they've just kind of thrown together some random stuff to put in a box. But yeah, I have just kind of a love-hate relationship with Loot Fright. I do really like the stuff that they send, and it's super cheap. If you can get a discount code, these boxes are from America, shipped to England with like import taxes paid and stuff, and it's like £20. They are so cheap, but they don't turn up for months and months and months. So I don't know, make your own mind up, I suppose. I think recently they actually went bankrupt and got like bought out by another company, so maybe now this is why I've received these boxes. Maybe they're kind of doing all the back orders and then they're going to get on top of it and be good again, because they weren't always bad. It was only been like this year that they've been bad, so who knows, maybe they will start becoming good again and then I can buy them again, because I do love the stuff that comes in them, so we'll have to see. But yeah, let me know what you think. Would you wait 6 months for a box just because it had good items and it was cheap? Or would you get too bored of waiting and kind of give up on them? But I will put the info down below for them anyway, in case you want to go check them out. They do other boxes. They do like an anime box and like a geek box and other different kind of box themes. Like I think they do like a kid one and stuff, so they do loads of stuff, but I just don't know how I feel about it. So yeah, I hope you liked this video anyway, and if you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.